the rarest birds in the world and where to find them. The world is a vibrant canvas of life, with over 10,000 bird species fluttering through forests, wetlands and deserts. Yet, some birds are so rare that spotting them is like winning the wildlife lottery. They are survivors, navigating the ever-changing landscapes of our planet, often in the face of extreme odds. Today, you will get a glimpse of them. The Kakapo, the heaviest parrot that can fly. Our journey begins in New Zealand, where the Kakapo, a parrot weighing up to 9 pounds, has the dubious distinction of being the heaviest parrot in the world. But this isn't just any bird, it's also nocturnal and flightless. The Kakapo moves through the underbush like a shadow, using its legs to climb trees when it needs to escape predators or search for food. With moss-green feathers that provide excellent camouflage, Kakapos blend seamlessly into their forested surroundings. What's truly remarkable about the Kakapo, though, is its unique courtship ritual. During the breeding season, males create a series of shallow bowls in the ground and emit low-frequency booming sounds that can travel for miles through the forest. This booming is meant to attract females, a behaviour that sets the Kakapo apart from any other parrot species. The Philippine Eagle, a hunter of monkeys. Next, we soar over the forests of the Philippines to find one of the most formidable raptors on Earth, the Philippine Eagle. With a wingspan that can reach over 7 feet, this bird of prey is among the largest eagles in the world. It is often called the monkey-eating eagle, but its diet extends beyond primates to include flying lemurs, large snakes, and other forest animals. What makes the Philippine Eagle stand out is not just its size, but its piercing blue eyes, which give it a striking, almost otherworldly appearance. Its keen eyesight allows it to spot prey from incredible distances, while its strong talons and powerful beak do the rest of the work. The Philippine Eagle's hunting skills are second to none, making it the apex predator in its rainforest home. Sadly, this bird's reign is in jeopardy. The Philippine Eagle's population has dwindled to less than 400, primarily due to deforestation. Its need for large expanses of unbroken forest make it particularly vulnerable to habitat destruction. Conservation groups are tirelessly working to preserve these rainforests, and captive breeding programs are underway to help boost the eagle's numbers. However, without concerted efforts to protect its habitat, this magnificent bird may not survive. The Imperial Amazon, the parrot with a purple crown. From the rainforests of the Philippines, we travel to the Caribbean island of Dominica, where the Imperial Amazon, or Ciceroo parrot, reigns supreme. This bird is not only rare, but visually striking, with its shimmering green plumage and a bold purple crown that distinguishes it from other parrots. This species is known for its loud, far-reaching calls that echo through the island's mountains, a characteristic essential for communicating across dense forest canopies. But what makes the Imperial Amazon truly unique is its incredible agility in flight. With powerful wings, it can navigate through the dense rainforest with ease, darting between trees to find food or escape predators. The parrot primarily feeds on fruits, seeds, and flowers, using its strong beak to crack open even the toughest nuts. Natural disasters have taken a heavy toll on the Imperial Amazon. Hurricanes like Maria have devastated much of its habitat, making it one of the most vulnerable birds in the region. Conservationists are focusing on reforestation efforts and protected breeding areas to safeguard its future. The bird's cultural significance in Dominica has also led to its adoption as the national symbol, inspiring local pride and conservation awareness. The Spix's macaw, a parrot that lives with cacti. Our next rare bird takes us to Brazil, where the Spix's macaw, once thought extinct in the wild, has made a remarkable comeback. The striking blue parrot is adapted to the arid Caatinga forest, where it nests in hollow cacti and feeds on the seeds of native plants. What sets the Spix's macaw apart is its resilience in such a dry, harsh environment, a place where most parrots wouldn't dare live. In the 2000s, the last wild Spix's macaw disappeared and conservationists feared the worst. But after decades of breeding in captivity, a reintroduction program has brought a small population back to their natural habitat. The return of this bird to the wild marks a major success for conservation, but its future is still uncertain. As one of the most high-profile conservation stories in recent years, the Spix's macaw has become a symbol of hope for endangered species around the globe. The northern bald ibis, the ancient desert traveller. From the dry forests of Brazil, we venture into the arid deserts of Morocco and Syria, where the northern bald ibis, with its unmistakable bald head and curved beak, continues to defy the odds. This bird has an ancient lineage dating back over 500 years and was once widespread across Europe, the Middle East and North Africa. What makes the northern bald ibis unique is its strong migratory behaviour and adaptability to survive in extreme desert climates. It feeds on insects and small reptiles, which it finds by probing the ground with its long curved bill. The ibis is also a highly social bird, travelling in flocks and forming tight-knit colonies. The species has faced near extinction due to hunting and habitat loss. In Syria, only a handful of birds remain, protected in one of the last known breeding colonies. Conservationists are working with local communities to reduce human interference and establish protected migratory routes. The Madagascar Pochard, a duck that dives deep. In the remote wetlands of Madagascar lives the Madagascar Pochard, the rarest duck in the world. What sets this species apart is its incredible diving ability. Unlike most ducks, which skim the water's surface, the Madagascar Pochard dives deep to feed on aquatic insects and plants at the bottom of lakes. The Madagascar Pochard was thought extinct until a small population was rediscovered in 2006. Conservationists immediately launched efforts to save the species, which now numbers fewer than 100 individuals. Captive breeding programs are underway, and efforts to restore its wetland habitat have provided hope for the future of this diving duck. The Javan Rhino Hornbill, a bird with a trumpet beak. In the dense rainforests of Indonesia, the Javan Rhino Hornbill stands out for its remarkable casque, a large, hollow structure atop its beak that serves as a natural amplifier. This unique feature allows the bird to produce loud, resonant calls that echo through the jungle, helping it communicate with its mate and mark its territory. The Javan Rhino Hornbill plays a vital role in seed dispersal as it feeds on various fruits and nuts, distributing seeds across the forest. This makes the bird crucial to the health of its ecosystem. However, habitat destruction due to logging and agriculture has pushed this bird to the brink. Conservationists are now focusing on protecting the last remaining forests in Java to give the rhino hornbill a fighting chance. The Forest Owlet, a tiny predator with powerful talons. Deep in the forests of India's central highlands lives the Forest Owlet, a small but mighty predator. Despite its diminutive size, this owl has disproportionately large talons, allowing it to take down prey much larger than itself, such as rodents and small birds. The forest owlet was thought to be extinct for over a century until it was rediscovered in 1997 in the forests of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. What makes the forest owlet even more unique is its daytime hunting behaviour, unlike most owls which are nocturnal. This small bird is incredibly elusive, spending most of its time in the canopy, where its brown and white plumage helps it blend in with the surrounding foliage. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting the owlet's dwindling habitat from logging and agricultural expansion. The Marvelous Spatuletail, the hummingbird with unusual tail feathers. Perched in the cloud forests in northern Peru, the Marvelous Spatuletail is one of the world's most stunning hummingbirds. Its unique tail feathers, which end in iridescent discs, are used in an elaborate courtship dance. Males fan their tails and hover in midair, performing intricate maneuvers to attract females. Despite its small size, the spatuletail has a fierce personality, defending its territory from other hummingbirds and larger predators. Its specialized diet consists of nectar from a few specific plant species, making it highly vulnerable to habitat loss. Conservation programs in Peru are working to restore the cloud forests and create protected areas for this fascinating hummingbird to thrive. With fewer than 1,000 individuals left in the wild, the Marvelous Spatuletail hangs in the balance. These extraordinary birds face incredible challenges, and their survival depends on the actions we take today. By supporting conservation efforts and raising awareness, we can help protect these rare species for future generations.